Hello, my name is Facundo Borges. Today I'm going to show you the last week final project assignment. We're working on our Trackstar API. We have four routes: habit logs, task, and user. We have our authorization. We have our middlewares for error handling 400 and 500 in every route. We also follow the MVC model pattern for each folder. We have everything different folders and different files, and also we created our test for every get endpoint, and we can try this out using npm test. So it's running everyone. He's passing all the get endpoints, and yeah, we are having important information in files that are not being uploaded to GitHub, like the env and node modules files. And let's go to the project. During this week, we worked on improving some things like the Swagger documentation to make it easy to create new things with the post or put or delete. And also we populated the four databases with information. So I'm going to show this in action right now. Okay, let's start with the get all users. As you can see, we have 8 right now. Let's get the first one, which is my profile, and let's try to get by ID. Let's try it out, and you can see that it's showing my user. Let's try to use a post. Let's see what can happen here. Let's delete this one, and let's create a random one with that information. And whoops, we're receiving a false, a 400 error saying that we need to have the authorization provider name and email. So we need to use our authorization right now. So I have this link right here for the authorization using Google. I will copy and paste right here, and I'm logged right now. Let's try to use a post again from the users. Let's try it out. Let's delete the first one. It's not necessary. And let's execute. And now we're having an error message. Okay, so I added the authorization random word and numbers. Let's execute right now. And now it's true. Okay, so we need to add that thing. So I will show in the error handler as well. So let's delete this one. Let's get all. First of all, let's modify. Let's use the put. Try it out ID. Let's let this like the example. So it's receiving the true. And now, well, let's again do an execute right here. And we can see that we have this one that we created. So now let's delete the same one right here. Let's execute, and now it's being deleted. Perfect. So users, it's completed, checked, and working. Okay, let's try to analyze the get from the tasks. And we have many tasks. Let's create a new task getting the user ID for this one. And let's left this like in the example. So let's add this one, and we can see it true. So if we see everyone now, complete project documentation is this one. Let's copy the ID 29. User 7. Okay. Okay. Now let's use the ID. Let's check this one. And let's
Hi, so I am Hyrum Morales, continuing the second part for the project showcase. So we were seeing how to update a task. So right now I'm going to retrieve all the tasks available. For example, we're going to grab this one, complete mobile app. Okay, perfect. Now we're going to update it. So here, this is the task ID, and we're going to say update resume title, for example. Yeah, let's execute it, and we can see that it worked. Now let's see all the tasks available one more time, and we can see that it was updated. Perfect. Now let's try our delete task endpoint. Let's try it out, execute, and we can see that task was deleted successfully, the update resume title. We check this one more time, and it's no longer showing up. All right, it's working as expected. All right, now let's move on to the habits. Let's try to retrieve all the habits available, and we have some habits. All right, perfect. So let's create a new habit. All right, try it out. It's asking for a user ID, but we also use it here. So let's retrieve a user ID first. All users, execute. Okay, this is mine. All right, let's post um, a new habit. For example, I will say play basketball. Do 30 minutes of practice daily. Um, let's try our validation. What happens if we select the frequency always? We get an error because the always frequency is not a valid enum. So for example, we can use either daily, weekly, monthly. So let's do it weekly in this case. Execute. And now we were able to create a habit. Let's remember that this is a protected route where we need to be authenticated. I am already authenticated, so this is why it's working. All right, let's say that we want to get all the, I think this is my user, right? Yeah. To get all the users from all the habits from one user, okay? And we can see now the new habit here. So let's take its own ID. Let's see if we can retrieve it here. Try it out. Habit ID. Okay, it's working. Now let's try to update it. The habit ID. Okay, updated. Let's use daily. All right, execute. And it worked. Perfect. All right. We're going to try this one later. Now we're going to move to the habit logs. Let's see all the habit logs that we have available. For example, it is asking for our user ID. One more time, let's retrieve it. Okay, users. Okay, all the habit logs from one user. Okay, okay. Now, for now, we just have this information. Let's continue. Let's try to post a new habit log, try it out. So our user ID, and we need the habit ID. Okay, the user ID and the habit ID. So from all of our habits, sorry, our habits are here. We're going to take this one, the habit ID, and we're going to paste it here. Completed morning, let's say basketball game, just as an example. Execute. Okay, it worked. So let's check this one more time, and we can see that now we have one habit log. Perfect. So now what happens if we want to update this? Okay, we can get, yeah, we have this habit log ID. Let's see if we can retrieve it from the habit log. Okay, we need the user ID one more time. Okay. All right, it's working. Perfect. And let's try the put endpoint. So try it out. Habit log ID, it's this one. The user ID one more time is this one. Okay. Let's say played an extra game today. All right, execute it. And we can see it was updated successfully. And lastly, we're going to delete this habit ID. So as well, copy the habit log ID, and the user ID. Execute. All right, it was successfully deleted. So if we check this one more time, now we have 0 habit logs. Okay, it's working as expected. We will continue with the habit deletion. So we're going to take the habit ID and try to delete one, try it out, and it was successfully deleted. All right, perfect. So all of our endpoints are working. And just lastly, just to finish, let's verify if we were authenticated all this time. Yes, we were authenticated. This is why it was working. Authenticated as Hyrum Morales. And let's log out, try it out, log out successfully, and check if we are authenticated one more time, execute, and we are no longer authenticated. Perfect. So thank you for watching. Have a great day.